Hey guys, if you're heading to Durban for the Durban July and still looking for a decent place to stay, I found this Airbnb that could be worth checking out. It's in Umhlanga, right in the sanctuary complex, super modern, secure, and close to everything. This is the bathroom. Clean, minimal, and really well put together. You've got a walk-in shower, black matte finishes, and everything you'd need for a short stay. It's got that hotel feel, but with more privacy. The bedroom is simple, but stylish. Great lighting, comfy bed, and just the kind of place you want to crash after a long day at the races or out in the city. The living area is open plan, so there's space to relax. Maybe catch a bit of Netflix before heading out again. The kitchen setup is decent if you want to cook or just heat up leftovers. The location-wise, it's not far from the Durban July action, and you've got malls, restaurants, and the beach pretty close too. As of now, the price is sitting at around 2,900 rands for 2 nights for the weekend of the event. Not bad considering how hectic prices get around this time. All right, that's it for this spot. If you found it helpful, make sure to give the video a thumbs up. I'll be sharing more Airbnb and hotel options around Durban as we get closer to the Durban July, so if you're planning a trip, definitely hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Got any places you want me to check out? Drop it in the comments. Catch you in the next one.